More terrible lighting. There we go. That's pretty good right there. All right, so we think we know how we're going to do this loot boxy thing now. So Charlie Bear had a suggestion that I would do a content review of the box and that I would post it after the winner on Patreon received it. That way, the winner on Patreon wasn't beholden to putting a post up in the community section, and I thought that was a really good idea. So we're going to do that. This is the November Happy Christmas Hana Kwanzaa box, loot box drawing for the $5 and up patrons. And if you're not a patron, this is something we do every month there. It's pretty much the perk of the $5 level, as well as if, you know, at $1 you get 3 mini consults a week. At $5 you get the loot box. At $10 you get the live stream. $20 and up you get all of that plus telephone calls with the bear to talk about whatever you want to talk about. But a lot of it is personal development, business development, coaching, consulting, and just safe space. A place to talk about all the things that as a man would otherwise make you punch people in the face. So, or as a woman. So, anyway, I'm going to spin this around and show you what's in the box, and we'll go through it. We'll go through it piece by piece. So, stand by. I didn't hit the button. There we go. Now I'll try again. All right, first up on the awesome dining room table / reviewing table, a Mora Companion, Mora Knife Companion. This is the carbon steel version because the stainless steel is awful hard to throw a spark with. I love these knives because for $15-ish, I don't think you can get a better fixed blade knife, and they come sharp enough to shave with out of the box. So this is the Companion Heavy Duty. It's not full tang, they're 3/4 tang. I wouldn't want to build a log cabin with it, but I think they're just the best entry-level fixed blade knife. And even if you have, 20, 50, 100 other knives, you can hand this knife to somebody who doesn't have one, or put it in part of a kit as a redundancy for a very low cost, and they're just stupid good knives. So, Mora fixed blade. The go-to water filter around here, not as a primary per se in our big kits, but for our personal level kits, this is the Sawyer Mini. Filters up to 100,000 gallons. Look, it works as a straw. You can hook it to a bottle. You can put it inline on your bladder. That's a word. On your hydration bladder. And what I like about this is it comes with, see, there's the straw right there. So you can use it just like a life straw. It comes with this backwash syringe so that you can purge the filter of any nasties that are in there. And it has this pouch here. What? I'm trying to talk to the people. And it has this pouch here that is the squeeze pouch that you fill up, hook it to here, and whoosh, squeeze it through and you get water. Stand by, I'm being paged by the baby. All right, next up in the box of horrors. This is just a little thing. I buy these 40 mil pouches. All right, see right there. I'm sorry, this is a flashbang pouch. I buy these pouches at the Milsurp store. This one doesn't even look like it's ever been issued. But it's not ideal, but it's something to put this in. A pair of shears and a cat tourniquet. So for anybody out there, and this one was riding around in the kit for a while doing something, but nothing wrong with it. So yeah, cat tourniquet in a flashbang pouch with a pair of shears. So there's a little, hang that on your belt if you need like a little high speed going to the range. Oh no, I got a hole in me that shouldn't be there kit. There's that. We'll put that there. We'll make it look nice. Here, let's make it look nice. We'll put this here. We'll put this like this. We'll put that like that. Perfect. To go along with that is Israeli combat dressing. A Israeli style combat. You guys know what this is, okay? You've seen these before. Okay, it's a pressure dressing. So, new, unopened, made in Israel. There you go. So, that goes with that. Now, see, when you get a GSW, you're probably going to poop your pants. So, here's some wipes to go with that. And you're probably going to go into shock. So, here's a space blanket so you don't do that. Some matches, cuz. And little tinder bricks. You can throw those in your packy pouch thing, whatever. There's some tinder bricks. You fill this with Zippo fluid, pull it out, and it's a match. It's like an instant match. If you want it, go for it. I have a bunch of these. My dad actually sent me a bunch of these, so now you have one that Papa Bear had his hands on, and then the grizzly bear got, and now you have one. Let's see, a little P38 can opener. I have the best words today. Thank you, Double Tapping Hillbilly. He sent me a fistful of these, and so there you go. There's that. A Brad Thor book, thriller, Code of Conduct. I've read all his stuff. It's been read through once by me. Understand, this is fiction, people. This is not how you live your life, okay? This is fiction. Don't prep for the end of the world based upon this book. You just read it when you get bored or tired or, hey, look at that handsome stud. Brad Thor, Code of Conduct. We'll put that over here. Put this here. And then lastly, but not leastly, this little Stanley cooker cup thingy. So you can set it on the fire. It's got a lid for boiling your rice or whatever. And so what I like about this is A, it's single wall, so you can use it on the fire, and B, it's graduated. So this is going to be good for anything that you have to, like if you have freeze-dried meals, where, add 8 ounces of water to it or whatever. If you're making your Swiss Miss out there in the field or your instant coffee, it's actually graduated, so it takes some of the guesswork out of it. And then it's got 1, 2 cups, and they're pretty sturdy, greenish. I think they hold 9 ounces. What does it say in the bottom? 10 ounces. 10 ounces. Stanley. China. Yeah, what else do you want? Come on, guys. It's dishwasher safe, which in français is lavez votre sécurité. There you go. So that goes like that, and then Shazam. I would recommend, if you win this box, that you take a hand towel and you wrap it around this for 2 reasons. Number 1, it works like an oven mitt or a hot pad. And then number 2, it helps mitigate this. So you don't have that in your pack, because it gets annoying. Or every time you step. If you're being chased by a bear. Okay, so emergency signaling device, maybe. Annoying, yes. So pack that with a hand towel or a cotton rag or whatever to mitigate the... Okay, so that's the December Happy Chris Mahana Kwanzaa box, and for the $5 and up patrons. So I will post this after the $5 and up patron wins this, so that they will not have to do this themselves. And as always, thank you guys. There's like 125-ish or so dollars of just stuff here. New stuff. Other than the TQ. I mean, that was in a pocket doing something, but it's never been used. So, this is what we do. This is what we do on Patreon. Alright guys, as always, at the end of the videos, there's usually a little baby bear picture hanging out over here? Question mark. If you click that, it'll take you to Patreon. It starts at $1. We use that money to in part run our household and in part support badass door kickers in Southeast Asia that rescue people from child trafficking, sex trafficking, businesses, and things like that. And just basically put nefarious, bad evildoers out of business. So, I'm not saying you have to, but if you want to, click the baby bear, and it helps us do what we do. And yeah, we do one of these a month. It starts at $5. If you basically, I look at it like a raffle ticket, right? You're spending a $5 bill on the chance to win $100 plus worth of decent gear every month. And yeah, so anyway, the patrons know this. You YouTubers don't, and so now you do. So there's that. That's the December Happy Chris Mahana Kwanzaa box. So shalom, y'all. Be safe. Keep it in between the lines, and go swing your axe.